What happens to the body when we diet? The quantity of blood sugar elevated by carbohydrates is determined by the diet's glycemic index. The glycemic index is a measurement of how a food influences blood sugar levels. It is a number between 1 and 100. Foods with a high glycemic index break down quickly, generating blood sugar increases followed by rapid drops. Rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels can aggravate diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. As a result, reducing high glycemic index foods such as soft drinks, candy, and white bread can help mitigate these risks. The body's energy levels are maintained by consuming low glycemic index meals that maintain a steady blood sugar level. Blood sugar spikes and drops are avoided, and energy levels are maintained. Blood sugar spikes and drops are avoided, and energy levels are maintained. By limiting coffee consumption, the stress hormone cortisol can be lowered in the body. Severe calorie restriction, on the other hand, prevents the body from successfully burning fat, rather than aiding weight loss. This causes muscle loss and, as a result, a decreased metabolism, requiring fewer calories. Muscle burns far more calories than fat, therefore decreasing muscle lowers metabolic rate of calorie expenditure. For every pound of muscle gained, a person's body burns an additional 50 calories each day. To avoid an undesired decrease in metabolic rate, experts generally recommend keeping calorie intake between 1,000 and 1,200 calories per day.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.